Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already know ln means log base e and that the inside must be positive. First, isolate the ln expression by moving other terms to the other side. If you have multiple ln terms, use properties to combine them. Once done, convert the logarithmic statement to an exponential one. ln a equals b becomes a equals eb. Make sure to simplify algebraic factors before exponentiating so you don't complicate later steps. Now manipulate the expression. Combine multiple ln terms using sum and difference rules so you reduce to a single ln of something. Next, if ln something equals value, exponentiate both sides. Something equals e value, and then solve that algebraic equation for the variable. If the something is quadratic or rational, rearrange and use factoring or the quadratic formula. Once solved, simplify numeric constants and finish by substituting each candidate back into the original equation. Confirm the ln argument stays positive and equals e as required. If you get multiple roots, discard any that make the argument less or equal to 0. If algebra produced complicated expressions, take natural logs again or use numeric methods like a calculator to verify. Troubleshooting tip: if a solution fails, retrace steps where you squared or multiplied by expressions that could be 0. Those operations commonly introduce invalid roots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.